Hello, we are gathered here today to decide, do we need a gimbal or not? In the blue corner is a GoPro Hero 4 and a Removu gimbal, and in the red corner there's a GoPro Hero 8 which doesn't have a gimbal. Which is best? So right now I'm filming on a Hero 4 GoPro with a Removu S1 Gimbal, which is kind of my favourite thing, with this Removu microphone as well, which Bluetooth microphone, which I've reviewed before. Anyway, this is what I normally use when I go out and about. Just show you what we've got outside at the moment. It's looking rather nice out there, and kind of what I'm here to talk about today is my new setup, which I'm going to trial later on, which consists of a GoPro Hero 8 Black and a Ulanzi G8-5 case, which is an aluminium case. I also have a light for this, another Ulanzi product. I'm using the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter and a Sarmonic directional microphone with a windsock on it. Basically, this is what I'm hoping to see if it can, well, not do away with this, because I prefer to use a gimbal any day, but it's you can always take something kind of awkward to set up with you as this. This is pretty much, it's just on a stick, you just take it along and shoot away. So I'll be showing you the difference between that and this at some stage. Stay tuned. Right, now we brought it outside. I've got the furry windsock on for the wind noise, and this is still the Hero 4 and the Removu gimbal. Let's go to the beach. Suddenly there's loads and loads and loads of traffic. So it's pretty early in the morning. We're just going to try and get on the beach before it gets too packed, and then I'm going to do a comparison between this and the Hero 8 and the new setup. So here we are, Roaston Sea on the beach. Lovely day. So first of all, hope you can hear me loud and clear. This is what we're looking at. They've been and combed the beach this morning, which needed doing. And so it's a slightly closer version of our view. So there we are. That's your Removu GoPro Hero 4, and we'll be back in a moment with the Hero 8. Right, this is the test part 2, this time with the Hero 8 Black and the Ulanzi setup, the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter and the Sarmonic mic. I'm just going to push that back in a bit more, that's better. And we don't know whether the mic, because I've got the mic facing me at the moment, whether it'll be in shot or not. But I can, I suppose, just stand it straight up and then it's not really affecting anything. But as I'm going to be kind of pointing it at me, then you know, that's it really. So, cheers. Oh, by the way, if you want to lose weight, don't know if it's in drink responsibly, but we've traded wine for gin, and I have managed to lose 1 stone 5 pounds in a matter of weeks by drinking gin rather than wine. So it shows you how bad wine can be for you. So pretty much the same camera settings as before, this time using the Hero 8 Black, and we're shooting 1080 and we're shooting 60 frames a second and in linear mode. So exactly the same settings as I used before. So we'll just see what it's like in comparison. Now I'm going to turn the camera around in a moment so we can see what effect walking with the camera is like without a gimbal and using the stabilization that comes with the Hero 8. Okay, here we go again. Part 2, this time with the Hero 8 and the Sarmonic mic facing me. And we'll do a pan round from here with no one in it and see how the camera adjusts or doesn't adjust, if you like. So, wow, the sun is so hot and it's very, very, very bright. So I've been out and I've looked at the footage that I shot this morning with this, the GoPro Hero 8 and the Hero 4 with the gimbal setup. And to be totally honest with you, it's brilliant. It really surprises me just how smooth the footage can be with the Hero 8. It doesn't seem to lose a lot of the image. It must crop it a little bit, but it doesn't seem to lose a lot of the image. I shot it with pretty much the same setup settings as I did with the Hero 4, so pretty satisfied with this. So when I'm out and about and I need to do something quickly, this is what I'm going to use. But still, when I'm out and about and I've got plenty of time, I think I'll still use the gimbal because it's fabulous. So I haven't really come to a verdict at the end of the day, but it is a worthy alternative to having a gimbal. It's a lot more portable if you don't use a massive stick like I've got on this one. So basically, cheers. Oh, that's lovely. See you again.